Now, grid method. This is one of the simplest way to do realistic drawing as a beginner. Now, in this video, I'm about to show you how to set your grid correctly on your mobile phone for drawing, both iPhone and Android users, and also recommend the best grid app I use for my drawings. Let's get started. So we are going to use two apps for this tutorial. The first one is Image Size. The second one is grid hash, which is the grid method. Okay, so let's go to image size. Now, what does this app does? This app is used to resize your image, the image that you are going to draw, your reference photo. This image or this app resize it for you so that when you pass it through the grid app, everything is going to be simple. You are not going to be adjusting anything. You just take it straight forward. It puts the grid on it for you, and it is very simple. Now let's go into the app and let's see how it's done. Okay, now I've already downloaded it. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you go to your app store or go to your Play Store if you're using Android and download it. It supports both. Now let's click on it. I have it on my screen, so let's click on it. Good. Now it brings us to the app itself, into the app. Now when you look at the interface of the app, we have width and height. Okay, the width is the width of the paper. So this space you see here is like the paper size. Do you understand? So you can see 12 here and you can see 16 here. Okay, so that's the paper size you can see right now. Now you can, and they are inches. Okay, they are inches. When you look at the top here, you can change it to cm, you can change to mm, you can change to pixel and stuff. Okay, so but I like mine in inches. Okay, you can equally change these numbers. You can make it 20, the width 20, then the height like 24. Then clear, you see the paper size has become bigger. Do you understand? But we are going to use 12 by 16. We are going to use 12 by 16 for this tutorial. So 12, then the height is also 16. Do you understand? You can see the interface has changed, the paper size has changed. Do you understand? So here we are just going to click on the white sheet, click on it, then it takes you to your gallery. Do you understand? So you click the image that you select, the image that you want, then you click on choose. So now you can see part of the image has cut. Okay, meaning the size of the image is bigger. So we are going to resize it with our finger. So use your finger, your thumb, to resize it to a size that you want. Okay, to a perfect size that you want. You feel like it's in the middle perfectly. Do you understand? So I've chosen this is okay for me. So when I'm done, I've resized everything. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll just click on it. I'll just click down here and save the image successfully. When you're doing it, there's a little bit of ads will pop up. I mean, you don't want to pay any money, so so some ads will pop up. You make sure you watch it to the end, then you click on the cancel. Good. So automatically when you go and check your gallery, everything will be okay there. So let's go to our gallery. Let's look for our gallery. Let's click here. Good. So it's here. Let's look for it. Yes, so it has appeared here. So now let's go to our grid app. So I have my grid app here as well, which is grid hash. Okay, if you don't have it, you can go to App Store. App Store is available on only App Store. If you don't have this, okay, if you don't have this, you are using Android, stick to the end of this video. I'm going to recommend an alternative you can also use. It's also perfect. It's good. So stick to the end of this video. Now let's click on the grid hash app and let's go into it. Now when you come into the app, look at your right top corner. Okay, your right, the top corner, you see the camera thing there, logo there. You click on it, right? Then it takes you to, it brings the menu pop up, which is photo library. You click on it. Good. It takes you to straight to your gallery. Then click on the first image which you saved. Okay, now this is the interface of it. Okay, so now let's go to the settings, which is the three horizontal line at your left corner. You click on it, then it takes you to the settings where you can resize and adjust stuff. Okay, Now if you look closely here, we have grid types. Okay, the grid types, which is rows and columns. Rows and columns. When you click on it, it takes you to the interface where you do your settings. So we have rectangles, set rows and columns. So there you are able to set the rows and column yourself manually. And the second one is squares, set rows only. So you are going to set your rows only. And the third one is square, set columns only. So that's what I have selected. Do you understand? So set the columns early. You're only going to put in the number of columns you want, and it gives you the rows. So it automatically provides you the row, which is very, very accurate. It's stress-free. You are not going to do a lot of, only put in the columns. Do you understand? So when you go back, you realize that I've selected that I'm only setting columns, which is the 12 here. Do you understand? So here, for instance, I can change to any number. So for instance, change it to 40. Okay, when I save it, when I go here, you see that the number of grid has changed. You realize that the number of grid has changed. The same way, when I go back and bring it to 17 or so, it will also change. Do you understand? I can continue to bring it to even as low as 2. You see that it has changed. Do you understand? So here I only selected the column. That's a setting that I've made. So anytime I come in, I just select the columns, then it automatically gives me. Otherwise, you'll be stressing to set the rows, to set the other ones, and it's very stressful. Do you understand? So that's the settings. You can also choose the same thing. Choose the third one, which is set columns only. Do you understand? And again, when you come down here, we have now let's set the columns our own to 12. Okay, because we've set our image to 12. Okay, 12 inches. So let's go back and look at it. Okay, you see now it's 12. Good. Now let's come back. Let's continue with our settings. Now when you look down here, we have grid color. Okay, the grid color here is green. Okay, we can decide to change to any color that we want right now. Okay, maybe the color of the grid is fighting with the image. Do you understand? I don't know if you understand. It has swallowed it. Okay, it's not really visible. Do you understand? Yes. So you have to change it to the one that is visible for you when you are sketching. You just change the nodes here. Okay, the things here, you can change them. So now let's bring it here. So you see that the preferred color is at the edge here, the round thing. You see that inside the color that it gives, and that's what it's going to give us. Okay, like orange type. And here you can see that it's not really visible. Do you understand? So you have to go back and change it to a color that is more visible, even white. Let's see this. White has disappeared. Okay, it's not really visible for us. So we bring it back and still continue changing, right? Let's check. You see it has also changed. Good. So you can change the color. Here. To me, I prefer green. Green. Okay, because of the picture, so I prefer green. I'm able to see the green. Good. So let's save eyes as green. So that's how it is. So this is the settings, and it is very simple. It is very, very simple. So when you are done with this set, this is the basic settings. You can go ahead and do a lot of settings. You can even change the width of the line. Okay, maybe you want the width of the line to be big. Okay, you can change it here, down here. Let's bring it here. You see how what it gives us exactly. And when you choose this one, you are not able to see and sketch so well. So mostly it's at 1. You put it at 1. Okay, you put it at 1. You can also do a lot of settings. Okay, there are a lot of settings, but these are the basic ones that you can do. Do you understand? So let's save it. Now, if you want to save the image, when you are done with the setting, you want to save it, you just click on it for a while, like 1 or 2 seconds. Then this menu pops up. Then you save it into your gallery. As usual, there are some since this is not have to buy to pay the money to subscribe. subscribe to their listing. So you patiently wait for the ads to finish. Exactly, patiently wait for the ads to finish. Then you click the cancel, then it's saved directly to your gallery. Okay, so let's go and check our gallery. Yes, so exactly, you see it is here. Okay, so simple, it's very, very simple. So this supposing you are using Android, to my Android users, supposing you are using Android now, an alternative app to use is Drawing Grid Maker. Drawing Grid Maker, it works perfectly well. Do you understand? It works perfectly well. So just go to your Play Store and download Drawing Grid Maker. I think that one, it has additional functions and things. It works perfectly well as this one. So if you are using Android, you can go in for that, and it's also the same process. It works perfectly well, so you can go for it. Okay, now in my next video, I'm going to draw this image that we just created. Okay, this image that we just created with real-time tutorial. Do you understand? I'm going to draw this. So if you want to learn how to sketch with grid, with real time, I'm going to teach you how to use the pencil to draw, to sketch. Do you understand? So if you haven't subscribed yet and turn on the notification bell, I would advise you to click on it. Okay, to turn on the notification, subscribe and turn the notification for the next tutorial. And don't forget to like and share as well for more tips and that. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp, and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp, and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.